Today I'm making some very simple chicken cutlets. And I have 2 chicken breasts that I'm going to trim all the fat off of and then slice those in half lengthwise to make 4 cutlets. After I get these cut, I'll put these in between some plastic wrap and I'll use a meat mallet to pound these out flat. You want them to be about 1/4 of an inch thick, ideally. So just one at a time, pound those out and have some oil heating up in a skillet. I'm using a cast iron skillet and I have about 1/4 of an inch deep oil in that. And just whatever oil you prefer is fine. Don't overcrowd these in your skillet. Just usually doing 2 at a time is perfect, and you'll want to fry these for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Really depends on the thickness of your cutlets. I already have set aside 3 separate dishes with the coating that I'll be using for the chicken cutlets. I have all-purpose flour in one dish with pepper, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then in another dish, I have 2 eggs with a tablespoon of water. I've also added salt and pepper to that. And in the other dish, I have panko breadcrumbs. And I have unseasoned breadcrumbs, so I seasoned those as well with salt and pepper. So just coat all of those and put them in your hot oil and fry those up. Like I said, probably around 2 minutes per side, depending on the thickness. After these fry, place them on a wire rack to cool and drain any oil from them. If you don't have a wire rack, that's fine. Just place these on some paper towels. And just about any side dish goes well with these. Maybe a garden salad. I'm going to go ahead and make some beans and rice. So enjoy these tasty cutlets if you make them. Very, very simple. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.